Meaning of general public.
General public.
General public.
General public.
General public. The term general public refers to a group of people who share common characteristics or interests and are not part of a specific organization or profession. It includes individuals from diverse backgrounds, cultures, and socioeconomic levels who have access to and participate in the public sphere. The general public often plays a crucial role in shaping public opinion and influencing government policies. Understanding the attitudes, opinions, and behaviors of the general public is important for businesses, nonprofit organizations, and government agencies seeking to engage with and serve this broad demographic.